Joseph, okay na? Hả? Sao đúng? Hey, how are you?
You get
Sorry.
Go around the other side, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yesterday you had no life jacket.
Yeah, sorry for that.
I didn't realize.
Thank you so much.
That's all good.
Thank you.
Okay, when you go shopping today, I want you to use plastic bags, okay? Not paper bags. This one is good. Okay? Maximum number of bags, 2 bags per person. So 2 of these. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Isa ito sa mga libangan ng mga seafarers kapag nasa Seaman's Club.
Ano sir, nakapili na?
Tanaw lang sir.
Oo, natataon na tayo isa. Eh, taga Cebu pa niya siya, oh. Last hirit sir ba? Para ma-appeal.
Are you six? Ocean
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
China?
Okay, yeah, on high to protect.
Okay. Alright, Ocean China.
Yeah, yeah.
You can go down to the boat, okay?
快点，请我
Ocean
说。
China, Ocean China 过来了。
先从这边来的呢。
Ocean China?
Yeah.
Alright, all six?
哎，你们俩先过来。
过来。
Alright, Ocean China. You can go down. Ocean China? Ocean China? Perfect. Global Commander. Okay, you're gonna go with Ed here. Global Commander. Global Commander. Oh no, that's it. Alright, and everyone else. Let me just check I've got everyone. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect, let's go.
Okay.
You can go down to the boat as well. Okay? The one on the left.
Ocean Victory.
Let's go.
Wala pa.
Sir.
Okay. Okay.
He-hen.
Hi.
Hang.
Yeah,
Yeah, you go inside, okay?
Okay.
Three of you, yeah? Hey, hang. Go inside.
Thank you. No.
Okay, more space to come in. Perfect. I'll just go that way.
Tayo. Tayo pa. Sunod.
Ocean Victory?
Yeah. Two person.
Not the last one.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you, Lara.
Are you the one that called me?
Yeah, I'm the one. Hindi na kumandudo kayo.
When are you sailing?
Tomorrow. Oh, maybe this midnight.
Yeah. Tomorrow public holiday, so no
Yeah.
picking up.
Midnight.
Yeah.
And then we go to Geraldton.
Yeah.
After that, we go to, I think, China.
Okay.
And we'll come back again here. Ikaw na, Job. Ikaw yung dawat ako. What? Alin ba lang? Ipatong lang ako ba? Ha? Ipatong lang. Yeah, ikaw na ka. Ako na. Thank you, Lara, for everything. Yeah. God bless and
Yeah.
happy Holy Thursday.
Oh, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Yep.
Job, hello ka.
Perfect. Hold on. Do you want me to help you with the bag?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Lara, thank you.
All right, thank you.
See you next time.
Are those shoes comfortable?
What?
Comfortable?
Yeah. Thank you. Eh. Napagtagumpayan din. Sir, thank you sir ah.